RDI company presents low amperage welding simulator eARC. eARC simulator is compact, easy and very effective for welders training. Just put it to table, connect the torch, choose the exercise and work. Determine the limitation for arc length, travel speed and inclination angles. Set it manually or choose it from base. Change easy the welding position and work again. New welding method, it's not a problem, just connect next torch. Just follow the sound prompts to achieve the result.
Slower. Faster. Faster.
Next torch, next welding method.
Slower. Faster.
Change the welding parameters. Change the welding position. Change the welding methods. Train and be a good welder.